Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to the weekly vlog. I'm so excited for this vlog because this is a vacation prep, get ready with me maintenance vlog. We are about to go on vacation for my birthday, but I wanted to share with y'all how I do my hair and prep my hair for a protective style. I'm getting some plaids in and I'm about to blow dry my hair out. So usually I wash my hair the night before to let it air dry overnight. So then that way when I get up the next day to blow out my hair, I'm not using that much heat. My blow dryer is on the lowest setting possible. I do not play with heat damage, okay? We are about healthy hair over here. Don't have to be long, but it has to be healthy. So I'm blow drying my hair and I'm not blowing my hair out to be extremely straight because I'm not getting my hair flat on or anything like that. I'm getting braids, so I'm just blow drying my hair out enough so that it's not tangled for the braider. It makes it easier for her. If y'all can remember on my last hair maintenance vlog when I got my curly cut, I cut my hair a lot and it has grown back so much so quickly, but it's nice and healthy, and that's all that I wanted. I found this braider on Instagram. If you're in the DMV area, I'll leave all her information linked down below, but she was super fast on my hair. It only took her 5 hours. It was just her by herself and my hair turned out so cute. But yeah, so follow me along on this maintenance prep for vacation vlog and I'll see you in a bit. Literally, I'm talking to y'all in my closet, but it's already getting late. I'm starving. I haven't ate anything all day and it took about 5 to 6 hours for me to get my hair done. Get ready with me, prep for vacation maintenance vlog, and then tomorrow we could possibly go get something done with these lashes or do our lashes ourselves. I feel like I need some lashes or something going on here, or maybe my eyebrows tinted. I don't know, but something needs to happen around here. But I'm gonna do my brows myself. I gotta see how I feel come tomorrow. Nails need to be still done. Toes need to be done. I should have went tonight, but I'm tired and I just want to relax. So I went through all of my clothes, got all of my outfits together for the most part. I think everything that I need, I just need to pack everything up and put it in my luggage. My room is currently a hot mess. Y'all know how it is when you packing for vacation, but these are all of the swimsuits along with their cover-ups and the sunglasses that I'm going to wear with each bathing suit for this vacation. Here is my sleep clothes right here. I'm going to be packing these up as well. So on this side of the bed is all of my night outfits along with some casual day outfits. Down here is all of the heels and bags that I'm wearing and some slides, but y'all know this is for my birthday, of course, because we do sparkly. For this vacation, I did buy some packing cubes and I'm going to be using these for all of these clothes. Plus, I still have to get some casual outfits just to wear if we're going out for breakfast or something like that. But I'm going to use these packing cubes. I'll probably do a TikTok or something like that doing these because it's getting late and it's already getting dark. Y'all seen me pack before for vacation. I'll have that video up in the tags and everything that I'm showing you. I'll have linked down in the description box below. I'm gonna just get this stuff together. Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're gonna go get our nails done, toes done, probably something else done, but I want to show y'all how I maintain my eyebrows because I do my eyebrows myself. So I'm gonna just take this little spoolie. Actually, this is for my eyelashes, but we're gonna use it, and I'm gonna brush through my hair. I normally just use lotion on my brows, but I don't have anything on here, so we're going to be using this aloe vera gel. So I'm just going to put some on my brows just to add some moisture before I start to carve them out. Literally takes 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, probably 5. But they're not too bad, as you can see, because I've been touching them up. But I'm just going to take my little brow razor thingy majiggy and just do like this to get the excess hair off, because I'm scared somebody is going to, no, let me not use the viewfinder to do my brows. I'm scared somebody is going to mess my brows up. I'm not for that, because your brow shapes your face. If my brows messed up, my whole face is going to be messed up. And this is all I do. I think the last time, oh my god, these nails is terrible. The last time I showed y'all me get my brows done was the last time I had my brows done. And I just do like this to carve the shape that I want. How long that piece of hair is, oh my goodness. Basically the same way you would line your eyebrows with concealer when you're doing your makeup, it's the same way that I shape my brows up. There's just too much right here. Just take a little bit of aloe vera. Again, I normally just use lotion, so we being a bit extra right now. Do the same thing to that side. And don't space it too far apart now. You look like God knows what. Then I'm gonna take an alcohol swab and wipe it off. Woo! Okay, it's focusing. Is it focusing? I ain't do this one yet, but look at this one. All right, I'm gonna do this one off camera and maybe my little mustache.
There's no limit, baby. You know you fine, baby, you know that you fine. I'm just trying to make you mine, trying to make you mine. Yeah, I'm trying to make you mine. Put a tingle in your spine. We got a vibe, we got a way, girl, you should ride on it.
So I just left the nail shop getting my nails and toes done. They turned out super cute. I have to clean them up because there's a lot of residue left on my fingernails. But they came out really nice. Just grabbed the hubby and we about to hit up the mall because he want to grab some stuff, whatever it is that he needs. And then I'm going to come back home. We're going to pack, see what else I need to grab. Of course, we still got to make a Target run. And that'll probably be the last run for tonight because we have our early morning flight. This one has a connecting flight in Fort Lauderdale. We leave about 6 in the morning. We in Fort Lauderdale for an hour and then we're off to our destination. You probably already know where I'm going. If you follow my travel vlogs here on my channel, comment down below where you think I'm going because that video won't be up until next Sunday. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm always excited to travel. So I'm in Target. I'm trying to find just like something casual to wear because I brought like a lot of dressy stuff, like dressy, you know what I mean? Just something for like during the daytime while I'm walking around. So I'm back home finally. I'm about to clean my makeup brushes because I'm going to be taking some makeup brushes and makeup with me on this vacation, which I normally don't do. I don't take a lot of stuff with me when it comes down to makeup and stuff because who got time for that on vacation? Not me. But it's my birthday and I want to do a really cute little photo shoot, something like that for my birthday. So I'm going to take some makeup and stuff with me so I can do that. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show y'all the whole packing process of me getting ready for vacation. I have a vlog from last year when I was packing, getting ready for vacation. So it's basically the same thing, me just getting all of my stuff together. The only difference is I'm packing a little bit more organized. And even though this is another last minute trip, literally it's a last minute trip. I ain't gonna say last minute, but it's definitely last minute because I didn't decide to go away until a few days before Valentine's Day. So yeah, that's last minute. Today is February the, what is today? Sunday. Today is Sunday. We leave tomorrow. We're going for a whole week. And I'm gonna definitely vlog and take y'all with me. I gotta charge up all of my batteries. It is already 7:30 at night. I tried to eat light because I know I'll be moving around and stuff. So I had a grilled cheese sandwich earlier, but that was just about it. Here is my nails. They came out super cute. I'm not sure if it's picking up good on camera because this light is pretty bright down here, but it's pink. It's a baby pink color. Pick up. Okay, it's a baby pink color. I still got like some residue around my fingers from them doing it. And it has a sparkle to it, which looks really, really nice. And my toes is the same way. I'll show y'all that later. But yeah, so I'm about to clean my makeup brushes and pack up all of my toiletry stuff that's down here that I need to take with me. And the only thing that I did forget to do was to grab some change. I have no cash on me whatsoever. I need to finish packing up my toiletries, charge up all of my batteries. I'm taking my big camera with me this time because we're going to get that good quality content. Yes, we are, baby. It's my birthday. It's 2023 and I just want the content to look really, really good. So I'm going to be taking my big camera with me. The only regret that I'm having now with my braids is I'm a little weary about the ends because I got curly tips and I'm getting in water, so I don't know how good this is gonna last or hold up. I could take some flexi rods with me, but I ain't got no hot water to dip them in, so I don't know. I'm gonna just take some mousse just to be on the safe side. This hair is the wet and wavy hair, so this should be okay, but I probably don't get my hair soaking wet because these braids are pretty large and I don't want them to get messed up because I just got them done. If they were smaller, I think they would survive more in the water, but I don't know, baby, but we gonna have a ball regardless. So if they get messed up, they get messed up because I ain't cutting my vacation short for nobody, all right? So let me get ready to pack up all of my toiletries, which I already keep most of my toiletries in a bag anyways, but I got some cute stuff, so I want to switch them from this bag to a different bag. If y'all can remember from a few vlogs ago when I was telling y'all I was having technical difficulties, I did an unboxing of the makeup by Shayla and Dosa Color collab when she came out with the wifey. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. When she came out with the wifey palette, the lippy, and I think, what is this? This is the lip trio. This is the blush and glow face, and this is the eyeshadow palette. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looked like The colors are very vibrant. So I'm going to be taking this with me on vacation. I usually just do a neutral look, the same look every time I do my makeup because I'm not really good with makeup. But these colors in here look like they will complement my skin really good rather than me taking a huge palette. So I'm just going to take this with me, and this is the Blush and Glow Face palette, and it looks like this. So there we go. I'm going to be taking that. So yeah, I had did a whole unboxing when I first got it, but I was having technical difficulties and lost all of that footage. I lost so much footage, it's ridiculous. But it's okay. New year, new us, new content. And look at me running my mouth and forgetting to show y'all the lip trio. So this is what the lip trio looks like. This color really don't look good on me. I'm not a fan of it on my skin tone. If I was darker, you know, like Shayla complexion, then yeah, but it blends too good. It's too neutral for me. But the gloss and the lip liner I'm definitely using. So I'm gonna try the Falscara lashes. I don't keep them on long enough. I get irritated real quick. I rub my eyes constantly. So this way, if they come off, they come off. It didn't really cost me nothing but $7.99. $14.99 because I got the whole set. So far I did one side and my eyes is burning like hell. And this is because I tried to use a different type of glue. I'm not even using that glue to come with the Falscara. I'm using this lash glue that was recommended from one of my girlfriends. It said it's really good, but it burns like hell. You hear me? I mean, to me personally. She said it don't to her, but it do to me. I put the Falscara lashes on, which came in this little pack right here. I had already tried them a while ago and it was a no-go for me, so I wanted to try it again. I do have an extra pack right here. So this is what the lashes look like. I have the kit, which comes with the bond. You put this on first, if you all can see it. You put the bond on first, and then you put the lashes on, and then you seal it with this side. And then this also comes with the overnighter, which looks like this. And you just put this on for longevity. But I'm going to be using those, but I'm also going to be using the lash glue that was recommended from my girlfriend because I'm going on vacation, and of course I want them to stay on. However, if they come off, I'm bringing my strip lashes with me just for my birthday purposes. That's all because I want to look real cute on my birthday. So I'm not really worrying about it. If it come off, then it's going to stay off. I'm not going to reapply those. But I did also buy these ones by Ardell, which is the individual clusters that look like that. And because I'm not really good with putting the Falscara lashes on, I put two in. So I have a long one here and then a short one in the front just to fill in the gaps. But if you look underneath, so my line is not as neat as it should be because these goes under your lashes. So I already did this side. It wasn't too bad, but I do like the way it looks. All right, y'all gonna watch me put on this other side because I gotta focus. So I got my mirror right here underneath me to see what I'm doing. Zooming you in. Y'all are like up close and personal. So I'm over here, my nose is running, my eye was burning like crazy. Look at me talking with the fan on. Y'all probably can't even hear me, but I had to apply these off camera. So what I have on my lashes so far is a long, a medium, and a medium. So I'm gonna add one more medium. I'm not using any smalls for the look that I have right here. Don't look bad at all. Okay, so this is what both of my lashes look like. I think they turned out really nice. It was worth me sitting here burning myself half to death, but they turned out really nice. I might fill it in a little bit right here. Right here, look a little sparse, but they turned out nice.